is my favorite toy car. I can play with it all day. It makes me so happy. I'm hungry now. I'll go inside for lunch and come back quickly. My car! Where did it go? I left it right here. What are these footprints? My toy must be in here, Bar. I need to check carefully. I have no friend. She has no friend. I will bring all my toys. Maybe she will be happy too. Wow, these are so many toys. Thank you so much. Now we can play together and share everything. My toy car is not just mine anymore. It belongs to our friendship now.